Race number 6. 1,300 meters is the distance. Anytime now, racing fans. Best of luck to all of you bettors. Stand by now for a dispatch. Hallelujah will run as the favorite. Gates open, they're up and racing. Conqueror draws for your lead. Fearless Boss, Win the Wind running in between runners. Speed Up Firm sneaking in by the rail as they race towards the half-mile pole. We have Conqueror in command by about a length and a half. Running in second is Win the Wind. Fearless Boss racing in third and moving up by the rail. I Am Strong. Speed Up Firm comes next, then running on the outside on your knees. Hallelujah comes next, then followed by runner number 11, Ecomac, as they rounded a 600. Two runners are fighting it out for the lead. Win the Wind running on the outside. Conqueror is by the rail. I Am Strong. Fearless Boss trying to get closer now in fourth as they race at the final corner. Two runners keep on fighting it out for the lead. We have Conqueror, Win the Wind is on the outside. I Am Strong. Fearless Boss now getting closer on the outside with Conqueror still leading the field. Win the Wind, Fearless Boss with 100 meters up the race. Conqueror a long shot, this time by about a length and a half. And finally, Conqueror, Win the Wind, Fearless Boss. Then comes runner number 4, Isaiah Dragon, and She's Gorgeous. Close finish between Tricky Charlize and Speed Up Firm for your Super 6.